Okay, so if you're using Google Docs and you want to put page numbers on your document, but you don't necessarily want them to go in order starting at page 1 and through the entire document, we're going to go over how to control that right now by section. So the first thing that you want to do is go up to View and make sure that Show Section Breaks is checked. That way you're going to be able to see what you're doing. And now let's talk about what we want to do here. So in this document, we're going to say the first section's 2 pages. So you have the title page and you have the copyright. You just want a page number on the copyright. And then down in the body of the document, you want to start over. You want page 1 right here and go all the way through. Let me page down here a little bit to the end of the document. And then you don't want a page number on Works Cited. All right, so let's set this up that way. Let's go up to the top. Let's go up to the top. This is my second page, and we're going to insert a section break. So we're going to do section break next page. These are the ones that seem to work. Don't use section break continuous. It's just my recommendation, unless you can figure out what it's doing. Section break, next page. And then it puts in an empty page because I already had page breaks in this document. Just delete that. It'll still work. We're going to come up, take a look at what happens. So this is the second page in the document. This is where I put in the section break. Let's go up, put in page numbers for this first section. Left click on options and left click on page numbers. And because I put in section breaks, you get this extra section at the top of page numbers that it's asking you what section to apply it to. If you don't have section breaks, you're not going to see that part, so you can't do this. So right now we're in section 1. This is asking us, we can still do the whole document. If you have section breaks in there, you can just ignore them. But we want to do first just this section. And let's say we don't want to show a 1 on the first page because that's our title page, right? We want that blank. But we want it to start at 1, meaning that the first page will have a 1, but you won't be able to see it. And then it'll be a 2. So let's left click on apply. And we don't have a 1 on the first page. That's good. And our second page in the section has a 2. So we're good so far. You can see the section break, and we'll come down. And it gave a 3 to this next section. So what we're going to do is we're going to left click on link to previous. It'll get rid of that 3. So it allows you to start over. Left click, and we'll go to page numbers again. And now this box is smart enough to know that we're in the second section. So it says this section, section 2. And let's just put them in the header again. But in this case, we want to show the page number on the first page. Okay, this is just the regular body of the document. And we want to start at 1. Left click on apply. And there we go. So there's a 1. Now, if you wanted this to the right like the other ones, you just change the alignment. Left click on that. Have it wherever you want. I'm going to scroll down, so I expect a 2 here. So that's good. And we'll keep on going. So we have numbered the beginning 1, 2, although we didn't show the 1. Now we have 1 through 4. And then we've said, and then somehow this section break got out of here, so I'm going to add it again. Insert, break, section break next page, delete the blank page that it makes. And on this Works Cited page, when we left click in this header, as we can see now it's section 3. We don't want to link it to previous, so we'll uncheck that, and it just gets rid of the page number in that case. So this is what we wanted, no page number on the end. So next we'll go over how to build a dynamic table of contents based on the content in your document. So as you update things, the table of contents stays up to date. So I'll see you in that video.